Rheem heat pump defrosting. We went to it's at this business complex. This is a heat pump, Rheem classic heat pump. It's got some iceage on it. Model number on the Rheem is RPKA-061JAZ. Manufactured 3/2004. Serial is 6393 M1104-08387. This one is Bryant's. The emblem's faded off. Serial 1707E45072. So that's 17th week of 2007. Model 113RNA060-F. Is this a heat pump? This is just a straight cool unit. This is a Rheem classic heat pump, two-bladed one. The other one's still defrosting. Model number on the Rheem is RPKA-043JAZ. The Rheem defrosting is a 5-ton, and this one is a 3.5-ton. Manufactured 3/2004. Serial number 16391M10419194, single phase. Going over here, there are more Rheems. These are both heat pumps. Rheem classic heat pump. Model number on the Rheem. This is also manufactured 3/2004. Model number on the Rheem is RPKA-043JAZ, 3.5-ton. Serial is 6391M10418197. It's also a heat pump. This one is also a Rheem heat pump. Model manufactured 3/2004. Model is RPKA-043JAZ, 3.5-ton. Serial is 6391M10418195, single phase. And over here are some more units. These are two more Rheems, both heat pumps. This one's disconnect is messed up. 3/2004 was manufactured. Model is RPKA-043JAZ. Serial is 6391M10418196. These are all the exact same. I'm trying to make this quick. This is also a Rheem heat pump. This one looks bigger. Gotta get on the other side to get to the thing. Trying to make this quick. 3/2004. This one is bigger. Model number RPKA-0-061JAZ, 5-ton. Serial is 6393 M1104-08386. And that's about it. And so two Rheems, 3.5-ton, 5-ton. This other one's still defrosting. Two more Rheems. These are all the heat pumps. That other one's still defrosting. And if anybody can tell me what brand them two units are, leave a comment below. Another Rheem. This one's still defrosting apparently. Standing for a couple minutes. I think this one has a problem because I don't think it's supposed to have that much ice on it. Still defrosting. Ah, the energy guide. 10 SEER, 7.30 HSPF. Do these have the energy guide still on? They're all the same. This sucker's still defrosting. And that's a water heater. This thing is frozen solid. I mean, holy crap. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over.